Good afternoon. In today's video I will show you how we're gonna dismantle completely the rear view mirror of your Mercedes W116 in order to clean it and maintain it. So I know what you may think, why dismantle a mirror that's working perfectly well while there's no need to do it? Well, the mirror is actually a part of the vehicle that's very neglected. Okay, this takes a lot of abuse, dust, rain, etc. that goes inside, and I will show you what could happen if you don't service it from time to time. Okay, so I'm showing you a mirror here on another Mercedes-Benz, and as you can see, it's a manual as well, and it's broken. Okay, and why it is broken? Well, it's very simple. As I said, the mirror has a lot of rainwater, a lot of dust, etc., etc. All this goes inside, and what happens when you want later to adjust the mirror? All that dust, etc., make like a paste, and it becomes very difficult to move it. So what happens is that when you want to adjust it, you force and then it breaks, just like this one. Okay, so obviously you don't want this to happen on your car, so that's what we're gonna do now. To start dismantling it, it's easy. First we're gonna remove the glass. Okay, for this we're gonna use a flat screwdriver and we're gonna pry it on the side, not on the part where we adjust it, but on the other side. We're gonna place it inside and we're gonna pull it open. So as you have seen, a ball here gets clipped here. Okay, so once you pry it open, it just lifts up, and then this gets fitted in this part here. Okay, so we just slide it from its place and it's off. What we will do now, we're gonna remove those two screws that are here using a Phillips screwdriver. Now that I've removed the screws, I just need to open it. Now that I've removed the screw, be careful not to lose the washer. Now that it's open, you can just remove this rubber if you want to clean it nicely. Okay, but if it's clean, there's no need to remove it. However, what we will do, we will remove the rubber that's here in order to have access to all that system. Okay, like so. We just pull it. There we go. And now we have access to it. If your part is not clean, clean it nicely, remove all the dirt inside, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna use a product like this one, or you can use as well the oil 3-in-1, and we're gonna oil all those points. Everything that moves, basically when you move it, we're gonna oil all this, and then once it's done, we're gonna move it, and normally you will see a difference. Now that we have lubricated everything and we know it's all okay as we want, we're just gonna use some kitchen paper and remove the excess. Now that everything is clean and wiped off, we just need to pull it back all together exactly the same way as we dismantled it. So this is how we take care of the rear view mirror. I hope that you have liked the video, and we'll see each other in the next one. See ya.